Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan, and in today's video we are doing a series called Falling in Love with Fall, where I decorate different spaces in my home to give you ideas and inspiration to get things done in your home just as well. So today we are doing just a little cleaning, and then we're going to go in and decorate the living room. So if this is something that you guys would like to see, come on, let's go. Time to bring in that coziness into our living spaces. So I will be adding in different textures like this brown velvet pillow, then moving in with this deep red, beautiful suede pillow with the fringes around the edges of it. And then I'm just going to use that same color palette on the other side of the couch. Now I have a big sectional, so I will be adding in different things into the middle. I'm also going to bring in this faux fur blanket. I just want to add some coziness into the living space, and I always love a good faux fur blanket into the mix of everything. Now, I know it's 95 degrees here in Texas, but I cannot wait until the actual fall sets in, probably late in November somewhere. Next, I will be adding in the chenille deep dark red throw blanket. It is so comfortable, soft, and it's just so warm. The family and I are always fighting over these throw blankets, and I got this one from Amazon as well. Next, we're bringing in this brown linen floral print pillow. Now, I thought this was going to be a little rough and cheap. Oh, it's not. Believe me, it's not. It is so gorgeous, and they keep going in and out of stock, so go get one if you have not done so. They come in many colors. Now, this one was a bold choice for me, using this eggplant pillow. I was actually looking for plum, but I came across the eggplant, and it was gorgeous. It gave me that perfect pop of color that goes perfectly into my living room space. Now we're just going to clean the glass here, and then we're going to start adding all our decor in. The only thing I'm upset about in this case right now is the fact that my glass cleaner was not getting out all of those fingerprints for me. So we may go in later with some vinegar and water and try to get everything out after I'm done decorating. Now, I added in this gold tray that I bought from Home Goods a couple of months ago, and I thought it would be perfect right here on this table for fall. So I saved it just for this moment. Now I'm just going through different vases that I want to use in this exact spot. So I'm just going to keep the same one I had in here because it just looks nice. It just goes with everything. It has a touch of plum, brown, and some black in it. So it's going with everything. Then I found these stems on Amazon. Now, the only issue that I really have with these stems is that when they were left in the mailbox a little longer than usual, so it's not the shipment company's fault, it's mine. The edges of it started to peel on the stem, but that's okay. You cannot see it. It is not really noticeable in the vase, and I'm just going to arrange them. So I already went ahead before I put them in here and I fluffed them out. Believe me, if you fluff them first before you put them in a vase, it will help. Now, I'm just trying to get them exactly where I want them to be. I probably should have bought a little bit more, but you know, it's okay. It looks nice the way it is. Next, I'm going to add in this crystal globe that I found a couple of years ago, and I'm just going to add it right here next to my vase. I like to bring in items that I already own to add them into my seasonal decor. Now bringing in these two little candle holders that are crystal and gold, and I just thought they would go perfectly in this section and make everything just pop. Now, the next item, which is my favorite items, are my books. I love my books. Now, I'm bringing in this Pacific Natural at Home. These are books that I bought a couple of months ago. Then my next one is Call It Home. I love these books, and I love the color because this is my color palette all year long. Now bringing in this little claw, this little claw candle holder that I found on Amazon, and I just thought it was so cute and so different. So I brought it in for the season, adding in my pumpkin bourbon candle. Next, we're going to add matches to the side, just in case, you know, I need to strike it real quick and I Let me not. But anyway, we're adding in my other book that I already own, which is Arranging Things. I love this book. Go check it out. They're on Amazon. Now adding in a piece of my A floral plant. And I'm just going to put a little crystal right on top of this book. We have a pretty long table, so I thought I wanted to add a couple of more items down here, which is this rattan woven decorative box by Magnolia from Target. I bought both of them and I thought they would look really nice on this table. Then I brought in my 8 Homes book, which matches the colors on my couch, and bringing in this black Alexander McQueen book that I already own. It was sitting right here on this table, so why not add it back into the decor? Then I'm adding my kids' backgammon game. We like to play this during the fall, so I thought why not? It will look really nice in that wood rustic look right here on the table. Now I'm bringing in this brass decorative box, and I'm just going to place it right here. I haven't decided what I want to put in it, if I put anything at all inside. Now just adding in my one last touch, which is that indoor handcrafted snuffer. So I'm moving over onto one of the end tables, and I'm just going to add those hydrangeas that I got from Hobby Lobby. They are giving that purple greenish and I guess you could say like a deep red into those hydrangeas. So I just wanted to add them right here on this end table, and I think they went very nice with a little pumpkin. Moving over into the other side of the living room, I have these glass metal shelves over here. So I'm just going to clean them down, and then afterwards we're going to get to decorating. Now I'm just adding a couple of books onto the shelf, and then we're going to add in this candlestick holder that I got from At Home. It is so gorgeous. I love it. And then my twisted brown mocha candle that I had last year. Moving in with this cute vase that I bought from Home Goods a couple of months ago, and the florals are from Michaels. Now, I don't know if they still have those in stock because those were from last year as well. I'm just going to dust my Tom Ford book, and then I am going to be adding in my pumpkins that I got from Target last year. I'm going to add in this decorative magnifying glass that's black and brass, and I'm just going to place it right here in front of the pumpkins. Moving on into the next shelf, I bought these from West Elm, I think about a year or two ago, and I'm just going to place them right here with the rest of my books right in between them. Now the picture, my son drew that for me, so I thought about, why not add it into this fall decor as well, and then just adding a touch of the crystal. And then I also have a little of sage I'm just going to put right here on the book. Now we're moving into the other bookshelf, and I'm just going to spray that down very quickly, and then we're going to get to decorating this one as well. We're going to add in some candle holders that I did have on the other side. You can just switch things around. You don't technically have to go out there and spend money and buy up different things. Just switch it around and make it look different for you and everyone in your home. Now, I added in those flickery candles. I thought they were so nice. I had those last year as well. I got those from Kirkland's. Then just adding in some more books. My favorite one is my Chanel book. I absolutely love that one. And then this marble bowl. And also adding in another decorative piece, this candle. And going in with my AD book. This one will always be added. And also using those decorative boxes that I had on my coffee table earlier. I thought these would be really nice sitting on the shelf. I wanted to add a little bit more of that autumn look over here. So I'm just going to add another piece of my A floral stem in here. And then my daughter picked out these little mushrooms and acorns last year. So we're just going to add that in there as well. And we're done in here. Remember, the final results will be a space that feels like an atomic of fall comfort, a place where you can curl up with a good book, a warm cup of coffee or hot chocolate, and just relax. It's all about creating a sense of ambiance that makes you feel like you're wrapped up in a cozy blanket on a crisp autumn day. Don't forget to let us know which item was your favorite that we decorated with. Leave it in the comments below. And be sure to be back here next week for more Falling in Love with Fall, Clean and Decorate with me. And don't forget to go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you have not done so already. And until next time, I love you all so much. Bye-bye. Happy decorating.